Alright, hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. Today I'm going to be walking you through how to install this Flutter script from Codecanyon.net. So first of all, this is the application that we are trying to install, Active eCommerce Flutter application. And if you come down here, you will see some important details about this script. You can go ahead and read through the details and know what this script is all about. Once you're done reading the details and checking out all the features of this script, you can click on this add to cart. So this add to cart is going to show you a pop-up that shows, okay, this script has been added to cart. So you see this is a $49 script. What you can do next is go to checkout. So in checkout, you're gonna add your credentials if you already have. If you don't have, you just um, proceed to creating one. And once you're done with that, you download your script and then you're good to go. Now, I'm going to be showing you two tools that you're going to be using in order to start running your scripts from your system. Right, so the first one is going to be Flutter SDK itself, and the second one is going to be the IDE, which is like the integrated development environment. So let's get into it. So for Flutter SDK, what you want to go ahead to do is to go to docs.flutter.dev/, get started/ install. And then when you get in there, you select your development platform, which in my case is Windows. When you select Windows, the next thing you need to select is the type of application. Is it Android? Is it web? Is it desktop? Because Flutter is cross-platform. So I'm going to go ahead to say Android because like our e-commerce application is on Android. So the next thing is to start building Flutter. You need to confirm your system requirements. All right. So does your system meet the requirements in order to start running Flutter on your system? So once that is done, this is how to download Flutter SDK. So you click on this button here. When you click on this button, your download is going to begin. It is going to pop up here like it says now. So once you've had your Flutter SDK downloaded, you want to create a new folder inside your user folder just the way it is here. Right, you call it dev or you call it anything, and then inside here you extract this Flutter this thing because it's coming in as a zip. So you extract it and then you put it inside of your dev folder that you just created. And if you want it to be a global variable, right, you just need to go inside your environment variable. Inside your environment variable, you need to put in the bin path of that Flutter SDK. If you have it, you just update it. If you don't have it, you just create a new one. And that is it for that. So we're going to be using Visual Studio Code IDE, right? So instead of Android Studio, so you can either use Android Studio, you can use Visual Studio Code. So, but for this video, I'm going to be showing you Visual Studio Code because I'm currently using Visual Studio Code, right? So there are like four functions of four options rather, where you can actually install or download VS Code IDE. So here I'm going to click on this first option, which is using Windows. Right, so just like your Flutter SDK, this is also going to download. So you just need to specify the location, right? Where do you want this to be stored? So just the way it is here, you can go ahead and click on save. So once you click on save, your download has begun, and you just need to give it time to finish. And once you're done with that, the next thing you want to go ahead to do is to open your purchase script. So coming back to your purchase script, you want to open this script where you are going to we're gonna try to run the script. So let's just get right into it. So this is my source code, right? And I'm going to open my this thing. So the first thing you want to do is to further clean this project. Okay, so what this will be doing behind the scene is to delete some packages. It will be taking away some dependencies as well. So let's go ahead and do it. Further clean. Yeah, just click on enter, and it will start deleting these dependencies and packages. So we have that, and then our pub gate is working. Flutter pub get is working. So once you're done with Flutter pub get, what you want to go ahead to do is to Flutter run. So first of all, you remember we did Flutter clean. Next, we did Flutter pub get to get the packages. And Flutter run. Before you run Flutter run, you want to go ahead to select your um, preferred emulator. Alright, so once you select your emulator, then you go ahead and run this. Alright, so that is how to um, get any Flutter script from codecanyon.net and open it to start building from your system directly. Thank you very much and see you next time.